So first of all, like what is the purpose of scripting? What is the essence and what is the purpose of scripting? Automation. What we automate? Our daily task. What we automate? For example, you have 10 servers. You have 10 servers. You need to run all the commands. I mean, you have 20 commands to run on the 10 servers. We daily go to the server, and if we try to log in, if we run it, it will take a lot of time. But instead of that, these 20 commands, I'll make a script. What I will make? And if I run the script, 20 commands will be performed on the at a time parallelly. Okay. Scripting means it is used to automation purpose. Which purpose? As a DevOps here, we need to automate everything. So the thing we use it for automation is scripting. Bash scripting can be used for various purposes such as executing shell commands, for running multiple commands together, and customizing administrative tasks and performing automation. So your main intent is to perform automation. What it is? How are you going to automate these things? By using scripting. What kind of script we use? Bash. If not Bash, they'll some other script called Python script, PowerShell as well. PowerShell used for Windows. No. Shell scripting is completely built upon shell, but there will be PowerShell, Python shell, Bash shell. We are using Bash shell here. Okay. Script definitely will run on shell only. Shell will be many types. Among the many type shell, we will use Bash shell. Which shell? For example, if you want to know shells, first of all, let me create a server. So just connect to the server. So give the command cat etc shells. How many type of shells you are seeing there? Bash shell, sh shell, tcsh, csh. These are the type of shell actually. Okay. Among them, if you want to know which kind of shell you are using, just to give the command which bash we need to give. What we need to give? Sorry, H is spelling wrong. Which bash we are using now? Bin bash. Which bash we are using now? Bin bash. Is that clear for you? So bash scripting is we are going to use for which purpose? To automate the daily task. To automate the okay. Among them, shell, which shell we are using now? Bash shell. Which shell? Bash shell is presenting on which folder? Bin folder. Which folder? And other shells are tcsh, csh. Okay, we don't require all of them. For example, sir, I want to create a file. What is the command to create a file? Touch file one, but I want to create it from a script. For that purpose, first of all, I need to write a script. What I need to write? Script. How to write the script? Just to give anything VAM, just give one.sh. Script we need to give the extension of sh. What we need to give the extension? Sh will be the extension for the script. Is it clear for you? Okay. So now here we need to write this thing. Ash exclamatory /bin /bash. Here ash exclamatory is called as bin bash. Sorry, ash exclamatory is called as sebang. What we can call it as? Sebang. SHEBANG. The spelling is sebang. SHEBANG. Ash exclamatory is called as. And what kind of script we are using? Bash scripting. Which scripting? Like it is a bash shell, so we are using this one. So what is the command? What is the command to create a file? Touch. So give touch file one, right? Okay. Sir, it is script. .sh means it is going to be script. Script need to be have the executable permission. Which permission? chmod +x. Okay. And give one.sh. Now are you seeing the executable permission for it? Green color. So now execute the script by using sh one.sh. Do you have the file one now? You have the file one or not? Like that, create some more things. VM one.sh. So like as well as file one, you need to create some other things called as. Just to give the PWD. PWD stands for present working directory, and later like let's give time. Use it to print the time and give mkdir ABC. Here multiple commands I am executing through single file or not. You sh one.sh. Are you seeing all of them? Current working directory is root. Are you seeing the time information? If you give the time command here, same output will come. Are you seeing it? And give ll. Are you seeing the directory created? Script executed or not? In this way, how we can execute the script? When we have multiple commands to perform, these multiple commands I want to give on a single time. Then we are going to use the script. What we are going to use? Okay, then fine. Sir, for example, I want to print some message. In script, how will you print the message? Just normal echo hi all. It is the way how you can print the message, right? If we want to print it by using script, we need to include this on your script. Where we need to include script. If you want to create a script, what is the extension for the script? .sh. And if you want to execute, what is the command to execute? sh one.sh. First of all, we need to give sh and one.sh. Second way of executing script is /. What it is? Just to give /one.sh. Is it executed? But here it cannot create directory because ABC does already existed, right? So it cannot create. Let me remove rm-rf ABC. /one.sh. Is it executed? Have we got the output? So in these two ways we can execute the script. How many ways we can execute the script? One way is sh. Second way is /sh. So just to give it now, and let's go to here. Let's close the elastic load balancer. So here these are the basic things we need to know about. For example, this program, like remember guys, I'm going to use copy paste. Why? Because even if I type, same thing is going to happen. Just I want to save some time instead of writing the code. VM one.sh. So the meaning of this script is, for example, what is the value of count here? 10. What is the value of count? 10. If dollar count, that means what is the value of count there? 10. That means the count value is becoming now 10. If 10 equal to 10, we need to print true. What we need to print? Is that condition satisfied? Satisfied or not? Then how to do it means just give the sh file one, sorry, file one not 1.sh. Have we printed to? Sir, instead of the 10, I have given it as 11. Is 10 equal to 11? No. Then if I execute the script, what will be my output? False. Huh? No, it won't return anything. Because there I have written, see this one, there I have written, if the condition is true, then we need to print it. If the condition is true, then we need to, but have I mentioned if the condition is false? For that purpose, it will be not be printed. Sir, if condition is true, I need to print true. If condition is false, I need to print the false. Then how you can print it means, just remember these are the basic fundamental blocks actually. Okay, we need to learn these fundamental blocks. Then only we can able to understand the real-time script. You else echo false. What we need to print? Save now and execute. What will be the output now? So if I give 10, 10 equal to 10, I will give true. But if here 10 is not equal to 11, right? That means it is going to print the, have we got the false? So this is the simple basic if condition. In real time, remember these scripts we never execute. But no matter which script you execute, you will need to learn some of the basic fundamentals here. Okay. Again, you will have the scripting class separately on your Linux, but here I will cover. Actually, I need not to cover here because you have Linux separate class, right? There you have some scripting, but here also I will cover some basics. Okay. Next thing. So like we know how to print the lines. It is not really necessary. Let me explain this one as well. Let me delete this one. So see the difference now. If I execute, first of all, I will show the output and show you like what exactly happened. sh1.sh. If you see, first line is printed slightly or not. We don't have any difference here. This content and oh shit. At 1.sh. First of all, let me open the file and show you the output. So first line is printed directly, right? Second line is also printed directly. But for third line, have I given the tab space between one character or another character? How I got the tab space? How I got the tab space? Are you seeing the /t? Here /t is going to give the tab space between one character to another character or one word to another word. Is that clear for you? So /t is going to give the tab space between one character to the another character. If you want to give the tab space, then you can give the /t. What we need to give? /t, but we don't give that on real time. I'm just telling for your knowledge only. Yeah, 1.sh. Remove these lines. So just go for the next program here, like next script. Here, this script, it is very, very easy, guys. Okay. You know, like multiplications, addition, subtraction, right? Here, if you see, I have taken sum is equal to 25 plus 35. What I have taken? What is the value of 25 plus 35? 60, right? The 60 value is going to store where? On the sum, right? The 60 value is stored on where? Sum. So then if I want to print the output, how I can print? Just to give echo sum. I need to give dollar. What we need to give? Because sum is variable or not here? Sum is variable. So if I give echo dollar, I'm going to get the output as what I'll get? 60. Have I got it? Same way, if you don't want to do multiplication, what you can do instead of plus symbol, we need to give what we need to give? Star. What we need to give? Then what is the value now? What is the value now? Okay, let's make it easy. 25 square. 625, man. It's very easy. Okay. There's squaring purpose, like how to do it. Just if we go like 25 squaring, right? First of all, 5 square is 25. What comes after 2? 3. 2 3s are? That's it. If you want to give 35 square, 5 square is 25. What comes after 3? 4 3s are 12. Like this, we can easily go ahead. Okay. If you remember aptitude and reasoning concept, we learned it on BTech days. Okay. There we can know all of this. So just give sh1.sh. Have you got now 625? Like this, we can do the additional operations and multiplication, like everything you can do. Okay. The concept here you need to learn is not additions, multiplication, subtraction. We need to learn this variable concept. Which concept? Scripting is totally depending upon the variables and conditions only. If you know the variable concept and condition concept, then you can learn the scripting very easily. This point clear for you? What is mainly based upon scripting? What we need to learn basically? Concept of variables and conditions. Okay. So next. So these are the comments. You know comments, right? Single line comment and multi-line comment. If you remember, we have seen that on Terraform as well. If you want to give multi-line comment on scripting, we need to give like this multi-line comment. Single line comment we can give Flash directly. So I don't want to cover this because it is very easy. But see it now. It is going to have the big impact. One second. Let me copy it properly. Just remove all of this and paste it. So now see the output what I will get now. Just of all, let me show it first of all. See, first of all, what I have taken, valid is equal to true. So while condition always going to execute when the condition is only true. Is this point clear for you? Okay. So next, if count is equal to 1, see that one. Look at carefully. If count is equal to 1, while valid, that means condition is true, we will print the count value. What will print? What is the initial value of count? 1. Initial value of the count is 1. Let me execute the program and you will get the output easily. So first value I will print as 1. Is that clear? Then after what I will do, if count equal to 5, if count equal to 5, then break the condition. Is 1 equal to 5? No. If 1 is equal to 5? No. For that purpose, it will ask to continue count plus plus. So 1 will become now 2. Again come to the while condition. Condition is true. That means we will go inside the loop. And again we are printing the count value. Now what is the value of count? Are you seeing the 2 printed here? Yes. Is 2 equal to 5? No. Then we will break the condition. Again we will increase the value. So after that it will become the 3. So is the 3 printed now? Again, it 3 equal to 5, correct? No. We will get the value of 4 now. Again we will print the 4 here, echo 4. If 4 equal to 5? No. Again we will increase the value of 4 to 5. 5 equal to 5? Yes. So if 5 equal to 5, then condition is satisfied or not? If the condition is satisfied, then we are going to break the loop. What we are going to do? That's it. We want to print some 100 numbers, you can also print some 100 numbers as well. You want me to check? VIM1.sh. Just to give the value here. Like some random value, any of the value you can pick. We are going to print this much of number. Just execute the shell. Print all of that. That's it. If you want to stop, what we need to do? Control is stopping. Control D. Stopping. No. Control C. It's not stopping. SQL. SQL, where does SQL comes, man? Escape. Okay. It is stopped actually. Are you seeing this? It is not fully executed. It is stopped in the middle. If you give the PS, the process will be running. Are you seeing the script running here? Kill it. That's it. So is the while condition clear for you? Here we have used two conditions. One is while condition. Second one is if condition. Like while is a loop actually. It's not a condition. Next. So input variable, guys. This is important now. The thing you are saying is important. This we are going to use on daily scripting for real-time activities. It is the value we are going to up to know what are the values you have declared on the script, right? But now the values I will not be declared. I will declare values from the command line interface. Inside the script, I won't declare anything. I will declare inside from the command line interface. For example, here, if I execute the script now, tell me the what is the output I'll get. First of all, I'll get the enter your name. My name is Raham. What I have got here? Welcome, Raham. Sir, how the script work means, see here. First of all, if I run, first line is going to print the enter your name. Has it printed? Second line, what I have used here, read variable. Which variable? That means whatever the name I enter, it will read the value. What it will do? Then after that, again it will print welcome and the name I have given. For example, give it now. Just enter the name. What name we can enter now? Let's go with Ravi. Have you seen welcome Ravi now? Okay. Like this, we can do whatever names you want. Even if we enter some random names, like I'm giving 1, 2, 3, 4. Is it printing 1, 2, 3, 4? That means it doesn't check whether it is number, string, or any other format. It just read the value and store the value on a single variable. And that again, by using variable, we are printing the name or not. That's it. Is it clear for you? So then later, just go with them. Again, same if condition, like this is not required. You know the if condition, right? True or false. We have only two things here to satisfy. You know, like you have Facebook, Instagram, and other accounts, right? Don't you have? Facebook don't you have? Instagram have, right? How many of you don't have? Only 1, 2. No Facebook, no Instagram. Nice. Okay. So at least do you have AWS account? At least you do have it, right? Zoom account, AWS account. Gmail you have na? At least case. Whenever you give the username, password correct, then only it is going to open. The logic behind the open page of any console is the same logic that you are going to write now. Just see this simple program. I'll explain now. It is condition end. If condition start with if, but end with fi. No. In scripting, it is different. In scripting, if you write the if condition, right, it definitely need to end with fi. Otherwise, condition won't be satisfied. Let me check. Like I will show you lively. Okay. If I remove the fi here, first of all, I will show you the output and I'll explain the program later. If I remove the fi here and execute this program like script, I'm giving some random name. What is telling unexpected end of the line, because it is the basic syntax we need to follow. What it is? Basic syntax. So just to give fi. Now execute. See the program first of all. Like look at the word, all of you. First of all, if I start execute the script sh1.sh, what is the first line I will get? Enter your username. On second line, I will enter a username and it is going to read. What it is going to do? I am going to enter the username as Raham. Guys, here it is your choice. You can give ABC variable as well. Here I have given username, but you can give A and B as well. Depends upon your choice because it is variable. Variable means it is going to, first of all, username is entered. And after that, third line it is going to print like enter password. I'm going to give the password. I am giving 1, 2, 3, 4 as my password. If username that I have entered is equal to Raham, This is double is equal to, okay, but here script it is showing like this. It is equal to double equal to, and password that I have entered is equal to 1234. Then what need to happen is, no, I need to print as valid user. What I need to print? I have entered Raham and 1234. Are these both correct? Click on enter now. What I am getting now? But instead of that one, I have given Raham and password as 12345. Now it is going to print me the. Is it printed? Like this, guys. Here you can write whatever you want. You can customize this one. Here instead of username, I'm going to take A. What I need to take? A. Sir, if I want to replace multiple words, how to replace multiple words? How can I replace the multiple words? Okay, if I want to replace a word, can we use set command? I remember set command or not? So just see it cat 1.sh. Just replace username with A, password with B. How to replace means set -n s/ I need to replace username with A colon, and again s/ I need to replace password with B. Okay, just to give slash. You need to give slash at the end. Close this one. On which file you want to replace? 1.sh. Just to give cat 1.sh. Is it replaced or no? Yes, sir. Where it is replaced, ma'am? It's not replaced. Why it is not replaced? Space, sir. What space? Just remove this n. Is it replaced or no? That's it. Is it clear? Just to give cat 1.sh. Again, it is same. Set command is to replace. Okay, but it not replace really. If you wanted to replace it really, just give the command double greater than 1.sh. It will replace now. Just to give cat 1.sh. Is it replaced now? It's not replaced. Here it is executing the first script and second script. Are you seeing? Both it is coming. Why? Because I have given double greater than. What I have given? But what I need to give actually? Single greater than. These are the basic commands. I'm revising for you one more time. You cat 1.sh. Am I seeing anything here? Everything is gone. Why it is everything is gone? Single greater than means I need to replace at least few commands, right? But it is not. Why? Because here if you see, this command is going to perform explicitly. I need to replace username with A and password with B. But do I have username and password here? That means it is not going to replace anything. For that purpose it is gone. But I'll show you one more time. Just to give VM 1.sh. Copy the code from here. Like this is not necessary, but I am telling for your information. Like that we can use any of the variables as per our requirement. Ash exclamatory /bin /bash. Sir, if I want to replace now, just use the same command, but I need to give 1.sh. Give cat 1.sh. Again, am I getting anything? Why I'm not able to get anything? Permission. What permission? No. Set command. Just think it logically, like it is a basic command actually you need to know. So like give Raham and 1234. So it is printed as invalid user. If you want to change it, like I'm going to change like this. Instead of username, what I'm giving here? Yeah, what I'm giving? A instead of password. Like if you want to change it by using set also, you can change it. I'm giving P. Have I used the variables separately or not? So that means I need to replace username with A here and also password with B. Okay. So now check it. Is it performing the same thing or not? Username Raham, password 1234. Have I got the same output or different output? Same output. The thing we need to learn from this concept is you can use any variable with any name. Even you can use ABC or some any other thing. Okay. Variable is the most important concept for our scripting. If you're not able to understand the variable, scripting is never gonna be easy for you. Okay. So next, is it clear for you this script, or do you have any doubts on this? I know it might be difficult for you because it is your very first time, right? You are having some fear of programming. I know it, but scripting is entirely different from programming. But we need to have some minimal scripting language. Like I don't want to tell all of this because, okay, let me have some other things for you. Guys, don't worry, even on real time, if you don't know script as well, you can copy the script from open source, Stack Overflow, right? If you want any script, you can go to that and you can copy the script. Everything is available on the internet, but you need to know about the variables and conditions that you need to think for your own. For that purpose, I am telling the variables and condition concept. So see here, for example, if I execute this script, what is the first thing I'll get here? What is first thing I'll get here? Enter your lucky number. So let's execute this one. Cat1.sh. So sh1.sh. First of all, it is printing the enter your lucky number. If I enter the value is going to store on which variable? N. If I give the 101, what I will get? So if n equal to 101, if n equal to 101, then I will get the first prize. Have I got it? Execute one more time. If I enter 999, what I will get? Second prize. Here if you see, first of all I have given the if condition. What I have given? Then later I have given else if condition. It is called as nested if. That means one condition inside another condition, that inside another condition. It is called as nested if condition. What we can call it as? That means conditions are going to happen like a loop inside one condition, another inside. So that is called as nested if condition. What we can call it as? Nested if. If condition doesn't satisfy all of these three requirements, we are going to print as sorry. What we are going to print? This thing you need to remember. Okay. Nested if means condition inside another condition. If we have one condition inside another condition, we are going to use nested if. What we are going to use? Nested if. For example, if I execute the script and if I given 7869, okay. Is 7869 satisfying any of the condition here? No. Then what will be my output? You clear? Okay. But all the things that you have learned here, it is not how the real time works. Scripting means, for example, like I'll tell the real time scenarios. All the scripting you are seeing, right? Even if you copy paste, you will get the output. But I don't want to tell it to you because all this you can get even by copy paste. I'll tell some advanced scripting for you. And before that, I'll execute this single script, last script for you. All other things you can learn by your own. For example, this script will only know answer like when you execute the output. Just to give sh one.sh. First argument I am giving Raham Sheikh, or else like give DevOps AWS. Are you getting the total number of arguments? How many arguments I have given? First argument name is. Second argument name is. Sir, this is going to read the number of arguments first. So number of argument I have given is, have I given 2 here? Then after that echo first argument it is going to print. What it is going to print? First argument is going to store on which variable? Variable number 1. Is the variable number one DevOps here? Second argument is going to store on variable 2. Is variable 2 AWS here? Sir, like this, if I give Terraform, will Terraform print for me? It will print. It won't print. You will get the total arguments 3, but Terraform will won't print. Why? Because there we haven't given the echo comment to print the third variable. Clear? Sir, if I want to print the third variable as well, then how can I give vim one.sh? So here just copy paste the same command. Here what I need to change here, I need to replace 2 as third argument, and here also I need to give as what I have got here. Nothing I have got. Why I haven't got nothing? Because I haven't given the arguments. What I haven't given? I just executed the script, but I have given the arguments there. No. For that purpose, just to give the arguments now. Have you got the 3 arguments? Like this. But all this stuff is not going to helpful on real time. I'll tell what exactly you need to do on real time. So look at this carefully. In real time, for example, for every morning we need to print the CPU information. What we need to print? CPU information, memory information. Daily I need to print. Okay. For that purpose, do we need to log into the computer daily 7 a.m.? No. What I will do is I will make it schedule. What I can do it? Do you remember the cron jobs on Jenkins? Can we use by doing that? But for that purpose, we need to set up Jenkins. I don't want to set up Jenkins. Then what I can do is type the cron tab -e. What is the command? If you type the cron tab -v, are you seeing anything here? Nothing. That means you don't have any cron jobs to run. You don't have any cron jobs to run. So how to give the cron job means like let me give it. Surely 1 second. I have given something here. Give me 1 second, guys. I'll make it show you. I have the document. DevOps. Manual bound git component is Linux, I think so. I do have it. The same thing or different thing? Okay. But anyways, like let me check it from here. You will have a number of examples from internet as well. Like just give the cron tab. Cron tab examples for Linux. It is simple. Like what is the command to see the CPU information? ls CPU, right? And what is the command to see the mem information? ls mem. So see here. Here we need to give the exact syntax for it. Let me show you how to give the exact syntax. Okay. Where it is? Are you seeing this one? Cron tab. Inside the cron tab, are you seeing this one? Command. First of all, we need to generate the cron syntax. What we need to generate? Sir, how to generate the cron syntax? First of all, here instead of giving daily, I am giving it for every minute. What I am giving it for? For every minute, how can I give it? Star, 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 star. For every minute, what you want? For every minute, what we want? CPU information, correct? In that case, like instead of generating like this, just to go to cron tab directly. Cron tab. You can execute the command here directly without wasting the time. Let me show you. Sir, how to stop? What to stop? One second, guys. Internet issue. It is getting very slow. Oh man, what happening with the internet? If you see this one, like, are you seeing this? Simply, like, you are going to schedule the backups. First of all, for everything what we need to generate, cron tab we need to generate. Have you generated the cron tab? And after that, sir, which script you want to execute? I need to give which script to execute. For example, if you see, there will be a hell lot of examples to perform. See, like, let me give this one. Let me execute the exact script for you. Previously, I have given it some other place, but I'm not able to remember. 1 second. What I have given here, tmp slash 1.sh. So what does it mean for? For every minute, we need to execute the 1.sh. What does inside 1.sh we have? CPU information. But where does I have written the CPU information there? 1.sh. Is that clear? It's not the way actually. I will show you some test case first of all. The thing is, I need to give some test case for you for these cron jobs. Directly I can execute, but I am setting for the perfect command. Like, actually, give me 1 second. Actually, this example I can execute, but I don't want to execute this one. Cron tab for Linux, yeah. Okay, let me execute this one first of all. Escape shift colon double Q. Just to give the command cron tab -L. How many cron tabs we have totally? 1 cron job. Okay. What is the command we need to give actually here? So VIM 1.sh I need to execute. Inside this, I am giving #exclamatory /bin/bash. What you need? CPU information, right? ls CPU. Is that command we need to give? Check it now. So after 1 minute, we need to check whether it is created in TMP or not. Just make an analysis. Is it going to execute the correct thing or not? Just wait for 1 minute. Go to cd/tmp. Are you seeing anything here? Wait for 1 minute. It's 11:52, right? Let's wait for 11:53. It's 11:53 actually. Have I got anything here? Why I haven't got anything here? Cron tab need to run the given script for me on the every 1 minute. 1 minute is done, but why not cron tab is running my script? Icona. No. Like go to the cron tab, -e. I have given the cron job to run, and I have like given the place where to store the output. But have I given the which script to execute? Here, like 1.sh means in this place I need to save my information. In this place I need to save the information. But have I given which script to execute? It is not the script name actually. You can give one as well. That means in the like file name 1.txt, it is going to save my information of CPU command. Here I have given the cron job as well as destination, but have I given the source script to execute? Have I given? No. Then how to give the source script there? Just think logically. This we have covered on Jenkins actually. Check out the examples. I have opened examples for you. Read the examples first of all. Read the first example. What is the first example telling here? What is the first example telling? Every 7 a.m. Okay, forgot about this one. Here, what it is telling is inside scripts, there is one thing called script.sh, right? So for that purpose here, where is my script located actually? Wait a second, 1 second. My script is located on which path? PWD. Oh. Just to give the command PWD. My script is on which path? And my script name is 1.sh. So for that purpose, what I need to give? Cron tab -e. So here I am going to give like this. Removing the TMP and I am giving what? Root. What I am giving? So now for every minute, my script will be executed or not. Let's check for 1 minute. So let's have check on 157. Wait. I'll tell it then. Let's check at 157. So 157 is done, right? So that means our script executed or not? Our script executed or not? So if I execute the script, what I need to tell? Give LL. Am I seeing anything here? Nothing. But go to this path. cd var /var spool mail root. Sorry. Are you seeing the root? So give cat root. Are you seeing anything here? Just look at that one. Are you seeing anything there? What is telling? You are having this much of information. Read this one. What are the scripts you are executing? It is telling that permission denied. What it is telling? Here, have we missed something? Anything like have I missed anything here? I have given which script to execute and what time to execute, but have I given where to store the output? Have I given that? Then how the script is going to execute? I have given the source, but I haven't given the destinations. And so then how to give the destination here? space and no, not that one. Just think about it. Or if you want some reference, I'll show the reference for you as well. I'll show you the direct code. Cron tab. Cron tab to print CPU information. I'll give the direct script. Just see this one. Yeah. Not this we want. I'll show some examples for you. Just see the examples. Like it is the way how you're gonna work. Like, are you seeing any examples here? First of all, we need to give the cron job. Have you given the cron job? And after that, we have to give the path to the script. Have you given both of that? Then what else is missing for me? Destination. So then how to give the destination here? Just see here. Go to the cron tab. Are you seeing this one? Just understand this one first of all. Zoom it. It is the simple thing actually. First of all, it is we are going to give the cron job. So just make by using example this, write the cron tab now. Cron tab -e. First of all, do you have this thing or not? Here I need to execute the script. What I need to execute the thing is script. Just give sh. The script is on which path? Under root. The script name is 1.sh. So I want to store the output on tmp file with the name of abc.txt. With the name of, that means whatever the thing it is coming, right? I need to give it as double greater than, because double greater than will give me for every minute. If I give single greater than, all data will be lost for me. Is that clear now? So for every minute, I am going to run the script. What I am going to run? Script, which is on root path.sh, and I am going to store the output on tmp folder with the name of abc.txt. Now see it. Anything we need to change from here? Here he is using echo only to print the message, but here I am giving sh to run the script. That's it. So now check it out, see what will happen. So just don't do anything. Let's check it at 12.3 or 12.2. Like same thing guys, even if you don't know anything on your real time, if you want to write some script, if you want to take database backups, it is very easy. Even if you go for Google, type the database backup scripts. Are you seeing this one? Schedule and automated backups of SQL Server. Just go to here and copy the same script, but here need to change the values. That's only we need to change our database name. We need to change our table name. We need to change. Everything will be the syntax given on internet. We need to just understand the script and we need to copy paste that from there. Okay. So now go to cd/tmp. Are you seeing abc.txt now? Seeing it or not? Just give cat abc.txt. Are we getting the CPU information? Wait for 1 more minute. Again, you will get some other information. Sir, like this, I not only this one, I want some other information. Like go to cron tab. Sir, not only this script, I want to execute one more script. Daily at morning, 5 a.m. I need to check the memory information. What I need to check? So here I am giving star for every minute. sh, what is the script we need to give is, I'm going to give one more script, root /1.sh. Instead of that, what you can do is, instead of that, you can give the command like this. sh, what is the command to see the memory information? ls mem. Just to give double greater than /tmp slash def.txt. That means for every minute, which command I'm executing? Memory command. And it is going to show the information on tmp.def.txt. If you want to see number of cron jobs you have scheduled, the command is cron tab -l. How many number of cron jobs you have? 2 cron jobs. How many jobs? So wait for it. Just go to cd/tmp. So after 1 minute, you will get like def.txt. Are you seeing def.txt here? But actually no data here. We need to wait for 1 minute at least. So wait for it. But again in the def like abc.txt, you will have some other information. Like if you see, it is the first minute information. It is the first minute information. Okay. And after that, again from the architecture, are you seeing the second minute information? Seeing it or not? And again from this architecture, are you seeing the third minute information? Like this, it is going to print continuously as per your requirement. It is the real-time work actually by using the scripting. Have a automatic daily task or not? I need to check the CPU information. I need to give LSMem. Okay. For that purpose, without giving the command, if I schedule a cron job, it is going to run for me daily. It is the way why we need to use the cron jobs. Now, if you see 1 minute is still not done, like def.txt is not getting, wait for 1 minute. So after that, what you will get is you will get the memory information on def.txt as well. Same thing. Clear? It is how the way we can use the cron jobs. Even if you want to run some any other script, don't worry. Every script is going to available on internet. All you need to understand the condition as well as understanding the variables concept. If you understand that both, now scripting will be very easy for you. And if you want to have the scripting separately, we are having the Linux class, right? So there you are going to cover the scripting. Okay, that's it. Everyday servers. Actually, we don't stop servers. Okay. If you want to stop the server, there is a server script inside on your like as I said, right? To stop the server or start the server, we have some scripts on your real time. That script I am going to involve on the cron job. If I give cron job for every day 5 AM, if I give start script or stop script, the server is going to start or server is going to stop on the 5 AM early. Like that thing you can do. So we have pending of SonarQube, right? Let me cover the SonarQube. What is the purpose of SonarQube? Means one more time I'm telling. Actually, developers are going to manage the SonarQube part because SonarQube is the thing which is going to check the code quality. SonarQube is used to check the code quality. Let me open the documentation. Here you have a lot of documentation part, but I have prepared this for myself. Okay. So SonarQube is formerly known as Sonar. So previous name of SonarQube is Sonar. It is an open source platform developed by SonarSource for the continuous inspection of code quality. For which purpose we use SonarQube? Code quality inspection. To perform automatic reviews with static analysis of code, used to detect the bugs, code smells, and security vulnerabilities of up to 20+ programming languages. SonarQube covers how many programming languages? So among 20+ programming language, you can check the errors, you can check the bugs, and you can check the code quality of the code you have written. SonarQube offers report on duplicate code. For example, you have a code, same like code I have on another page. So it is going to show me that you are having the duplicate code. It is going to copy the entire source code of a project. If any duplicate code is found, SonarQube is going to inform us. And it is also going to inform like unit test. It is going to perform code coverage, code complexity, comments, bugs, like security recommendation, everything end to end. Remember, simply what I can do is, to understand the SonarQube, I'll tell one thing. It is completely depend for the coding purpose. Which purpose? If I write a code, if I put it on SonarQube, the SonarQube will tell what are the bugs you have, what are the errors you have, what are the duplicates you are having. Everything will be taken care by the SonarQube. Like that, it is also going to perform the integration testing. Which testing? Sorry, not integration. I think it's unit. Yeah, unit test is going to perform here. So SonarQube, we have two versions. One is free version. Second one is paid version. On real time, we definitely use paid version, but for practice, what we are using. Coming to the advantages. If you are finding the bugs, it will detect and it will alerts as per your requirement. Next, it will raise the code quality. Definitely. Sustainability means it is going to sustain for a very long time. That means if you use for it any platform, it can be running on any platform. Productivity, definitely, if you are removing the bugs, that means you are changing that. Like if I have a code here, if there are 10 bugs, if I try to remove manually, it will take a lot of time. But SonarQube will automatically remove these bugs or not. That means my time is going to save or not. If I save my time, the production is going to be increased definitely. So after that, it is going to increase the developer skills. Definitely, if you remove the bugs, developer skills will be definitely increased because he know how to remove the bugs both manually as well as automatically. Next, scales with the business need. That means if I need to set up separate server, I can have the high availability for the SonarQube server as well. That's it. And these are not required, so forgot about this one. Come to the installation part. So if you want to install SonarQube, SonarQube runs with the help of Java. First of all, install Java. Setup is very easy, but it is a long process. Sorry, Selenium is for some other different purpose. It is run to automation test, but it will not run the automation test as the testers do. Like the main intention of SonarQube is to raise the code quality actually. Okay. So I have installed the Java version. So from this path, you are going to get the SonarQube. So copy this path. I'll give the document. Don't worry. Give the command wget. Wget command is to perform download source for the internet to our local. Have I got the zip now? First of all, remove this 1.sh. I don't want it now. Make it unzip. Unzip sonar cube.zip. So go to inside it. You need to change some properties. So cd sonar. There are some files to configure here. Are you seeing the bin folder here? From this folder, we are going to start the SonarQube. So I have said Tomcat, we are starting from this folder. SonarQube also from this folder. Even JFrog also we can start from this particular folder. But before that, are you seeing the web here? Just go to web, give ls. Are you seeing the index.html and web.inf? Go to web.inf. Are you seeing the classes here? CD classes. So these are some of the classes you are going to have. Like let me go to CYM. Are you seeing the sonar source here? It is the place where we are going to find the sonar source. But again, I want to edit only one file here. That is called as this file. Are you seeing the configuration folder here? Inside the configuration folder, you are going to have sonar properties. What you are going to have? Are you seeing the configuration here? Just to go to configuration, cd conf, you will find sonar properties. Are you seeing this one? Go to the sonar properties. Guys, here you need to change a lot of things. First of all, I will give the username and password for SonarQube. So the username I am giving it as SonarQube. What I am giving? And password also I am giving the SonarQube. What I am giving? Just paste it. And the default port number, like it is going to connect to database, guys. Remember, SonarQube definitely need to connect to the database. And the default port number I have given is 9090. If you want to change to 9093, you can also change it to 9093. Next. Coming to here, we need to change some other more properties. And one more thing, this we need not to set up. This will be already existing on your real-time company. So we never set up this, but I am telling for your information. Even though it is not much work to do here. Yeah. Are you seeing the Sonar web host here? Make it uncomment. Sonar web context. So that means here we need to run the script. If I want to run the Sonar, I need to give the /SonarQube. Like I have it right. Just copy paste. And default port number for SonarQube is 9000. What is the default port number? So here I have edited 6 properties. How many properties? Are you seeing this 6 here? Username, password, SonarQube, password 9093, web host done, context done, port number. Clear now? Just save the file now. Sir, if I want to run the SonarQube, I need to have the Java, right? For that purpose, do I need to find the Java or not? Like, do I need to configure the Java or not? Remember, in real time, if you have a particular file, you know the file name, but you don't know where it is presented. For example, here I'm seeing the wrapper.conf here. It is the file name I want, but I am on some other place. I am on some TMP. Okay. I don't know where to check. I don't know where to check, but I know the file name. How to find out means use the command find command. Which command? Just to give find, and we need to give the slash here. Slash means from the root path I am checking. I am going to find from the root path and give hyphen name. What is the file name? Wrapper.config. Are you seeing this one? Wrapper.config. Inside root, inside SonarQube, we are going to have the wrapper.configuration file. In real time, definitely on some rare occasion, we are going to use this command. We know the file name. We know the, but we don't know where exactly the file is present. So for that purpose, the find command is going to use. Find slash means I am checking from the root path. Which path? Hyphen name. What is the name of the file I'm checking from? Is that clear? Like same thing, I am going to check for Java as well. There will be some properties for Java. Are you seeing this one? So copy this entire line. Go to cd root sonar config. Here are you seeing the wrapper.configuration? VAM wrapper.configuration. So here just give this entire line. Have I given the Java path here? Like from user, first of all, wait. I need to give slash here. Here the slash is missing. On user lib JVM Java OpenJDK 11 pin Java. This is the path where I have my default Java version. Clear? That's it. So if everything is done, finally we need to do only one thing. We need to copy this SonarQube to our home EC2 path. Which path? So give the command cd. Copy -r recursive. Why need to give the recursive? Because we are having folder inside folder, right? I am going to copy enter SonarQube folder. Inside SonarQube folder, do you have some other folders? For that purpose, I need to give -r. What I need to give? Sir, you are copying this SonarQube to which path? Means home EC2 user path. Which path? So now this folder is also be copying to the EC2 folder. This step now. Now what I need to give is I need to give the EC2 permission. What I need to give? Just to go to cd/home EC2 user. This SonarQube is on which property? Root property, right? So I need to change the ownership. So give ch own -r recursive. I need to give the EC2 user. EC2 user as well as EC2 group for this SonarQube folder. That's it. And click logout just to give Control D. Currently, are you seeing SonarQube on your home path with your user as well as with your group? Now run the SonarQube script. What we need to do? cd SonarQube inside bin. You are having the script. Go to the Linux. Are you seeing sonar.sh? sh sonar.sh. It is the script actually, and give console. What we need to give? Console. That's it. Pipe symbol is not required. Remove that one. Now SonarQube is going to start. Again and again, I'm telling like this is not required for us. Actually, developers and testers are going to work on it majorly. But we need to know like what exactly is SonarQube and why we need to use it. Okay, for that purpose, I'm showing the setup. Event setup, we don't do it. It is already existing on your company. But if we want to integrate, we need to integrate SonarQube to some other tools. That's it. There. So if you see the process is up and running or not, but wait for a few more minutes. So if you want to connect to the SonarQube, actually what we need to do is, do you have the public IP address, right? Copy the public IP address of your instance, and port number for SonarQube is 9000. What is the port number? Hit enter. It will not come. Why? Because it is not still up and running. Like it is still waiting for the process. Wait for it. Wait, I think it is stuck. I think so. Let me kill this one. It got stuck actually. Kill -9. The wrapper. Kill Java. No, don't kill this one. Startup failed. Timeout for waiting signal of JVM. It got failed. Why? Because I am killing the process continuously. Na? 1 second. Let me kill all of the process. Kill -9. Let me kill all the process first of all, because there are number of processes running on Java and Sonar. For that purpose, it is not coming. 049. PS. So in the meanwhile, like you can ask me, like if you're having any doubts or queries, you can ask me. Why? Because it is taking some time. Actually, when the process is done, right? If you run the script, you will get the console. Okay. It will say that Sonar Cube is up and running. But now, like it's the internet issue or some other issue, it is not getting up and running, but it will come at after later point of time. So when you see Sonar Cube is up and running, right? Just go to the console, give the public IP address, and give port number 9000. As well as we need to give /sonar as well. What we need to give? /sonar cube. Just to give /sonar cube. So if we give this one, it will come, but it is not coming. Why? Because like my system is running very slow actually. Even internet is not working properly for like these things. Okay, it's taking a lot of time, but it's okay. Like even after like 10 to 15 minutes, it will come because the internet speed is very low for the server. For that purpose, it is not like loading. But when you set up, right, you will have the Sonar Cube is up and running. When you see that message, right, go to browser, copy the public IP address, and port number will be 9000. And lastly, what we need to give? /sonar. That's it. If you are not able to do, let me know. Like tomorrow, I'll show you because it's almost end of session, right? I'll show you tomorrow. So that's it, guys. Like if you are having any doubts or queries over today's class, you can ask me. So first of all, I'll go with online, guys. Guys, any doubts or queries from your end? Guys, are you there? Online people, I'm speaking with you only. Any doubts or queries? No, scripting is not only used for database research, Sarita. We can do scripting for any purpose. Scripting is for automation purpose. Automation means you can do any automation. Okay. Any example means everything is example here. If you want database backups, or if you want to print the memory information, or if you want to start and stop the scripts, like you can do. For example, like early morning 5 a.m. you need to like one of the example I'll tell is on real time how we use it. For example, like I'll have some WAR files on my Jenkins server. Okay. For every 2 months, I need to delete the old WAR files. What I need to delete? So for that purpose, I'll write the script. The command is rm-rf star and that particular folder name. So what are the WAR files on that particular folder? It is going to delete. For every 2 months, I'll write the cron job. Okay. Like if you want to delete files, if you want to delete folders, you can also do that. So that's it. So tomorrow will be the last class for us mostly. So Nagios is the only pending, and we are having like something called as virtual environment concept. It is very easy concept. Like we can cover it on 5 minutes. So that's it. And everything will be online for tomorrow. No offline, only online. Okay, because I'm moving to hometown, right? So I'll be on traveling at mostly at the time, but I'll take session for you. Sir, mobile examination is getting disconnected continuously. For that purpose, you need to yes. Okay, 1 second. I'll provide the documents, Sarita, don't worry about it. So if anyone is facing the MobiXterm issue, go to settings. We will find the SSH here. So here you need to activate this one, SSH keep alive. This will be not defaultly activated. And we need to click on the fix connection issues. Okay. That's it. So let me stop recording here.
Recording stopped.
Okay, guys, then thanks for joining. We'll meet you all on tomorrow's class. Have a nice day.